Welcome to Brown and Hurley, two iconic Australian families whose partnership is driven by the commitment of principles before profit, ensuring a loyal customer network for 75 years. Known as the Big Truck People, Brown and Hurley strive to meet all your truck and trailer requirements. Selling some of the world's best brands of prime movers, DAF, a bestseller in Europe, and the market-leading, Australian-made, purpose-built, tough, unrivaled Kenworth. Their trailer range of Hercules, Kruger, Pumper and Schmidt's Cargo Bull has all your trailer requirements met. Brown and Hurley have you covered for sales, service and spare parts from their 9 strategically placed dealerships across Queensland and northern New South Wales. Through our Brown and Hurley Pack Lease division, there's the added benefit of a late model rental fleet of trucks and trailers to support clients during those peak demand periods. Brown and Hurley have expanded on their sales and service offering with a back-to-the-future commitment, supporting the agricultural industries with the retailing of new Case and New Holland tractors and associated farm implements across an additional 3 dealerships in Queensland.
My belief on why Brown and Hurley has been successful is because of the investment the company makes into the business. Always trying to reinvest as much profits as we can back into the business to better serve the clients. The other thing is we've been lucky enough to be tied up with some very successful manufacturers, which has given us good product to put out into the market. The company can be nimble. We don't need to have board meetings. We don't need to have big planning meetings to make these things happen. So we can be very spontaneous with our investment decisions so that we try to always be at the rise up of the market, and then we're in a great position to best service the clients by having the product on the shelf when they need it. And because of this investment, another thing is our level of support for our staff, big training centre, try to get the best technicians we can to work on our customers' trucks. So yeah, we don't always get things right, but we're always trying to get things right. And I think that's the big positive for dealing with Brown and Hurley. There's no doubt the proudest achievement is that it's been able to continue for 75 years. 75 years in business is a real long time. 4 generations of family members have been involved, long-term staff, 40 years plus staff members, all things that make for a very proud business. Obviously the association with Kenworth for over 50 years, being their first dealer in Australia. So they're probably some of the proudest things that I could think of. Long-term associations with customers would be another one. We have generational customers now. So that's another great proud moment for Brown and Hurley, that we've been able to continue offering service to people for multi-generations in business.
Proudly celebrating its 75th year in operation in 2021, Brown and Hurley continues to keep Australia moving by investing heavily into their people and best-in-class service centres. Visit the Brown and Hurley website today to access all your truck, trailer and agricultural needs at a site near you.